How to play Blacktop with your friends online in 2K24. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to play Blacktop with your friends online in NBA 2K24. Since Blacktop is officially only available offline, I'm going to show you a simple workaround that lets you enjoy it with your friends, even if they're not in the same room. Let's get started. Step 1. Play Blacktop locally. First, launch NBA 2K24 and go to Play Now in Blacktop. Choose the number of players, 1v1, 2v2, up to 5v5, and set up the teams. This mode is normally for local play only, using two controllers on the same console or PC. Step 2. Bring your friend online using PowerSec or Remote Play. To play online, we will use a tool called PowerSec. It's free and lets your friend join your game remotely as if they were sitting right next to you. On PC, download and install PowerSec from parsec.app. Then, create a free account and log in. Launch NBA 2K24 and go into Blacktop mode. Invite your friend through PowerSec by sharing your screen. Once they connect, they will be able to control the second player using their own controller. On PlayStation, use Remote Play to share your screen with a friend. Make sure they have a PES controller paired to their device. Once connected, they will act as a player 2 in your local Blacktop game. Method 3. Alternative, play together in the city or neighborhood. If you want to stick with the official online modes, you can meet your friends in the city or the neighborhood. Just make sure you both have my players and then join the same park. From there, hop on a 2v2 or 3v3 court and play pickup games. It's not exactly Blacktop, but it's the closest official alternative online. And that's it. That was the tutorial on how to play Blacktop with your friends online in NBA 2K24. Whether by using PowerSec, Remote Play, or hopping into the city or neighborhood. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.